Let's be honest, this isn't about truth anymore. It's about obsession. There are people today who cannot hold a single conversation without dragging everything, literally everything, back to the same person, the same talking points, the same accusations. It doesn't matter what the topic is. They're not responding to what's being said. They're reacting to what's already stuck in their head. That's not awareness. That's conditioning. At some point, a line gets crossed where a person is no longer thinking clearly. Their mind isn't weighing facts, context, or relevance anymore. It's running on emotion, usually anger, resentment, or outright hate. And when hate takes control, reason doesn't just weaken, it disappears. You can see it in real time. Every discussion becomes predictable. Every response sounds the same. Every argument is recycled, regardless of whether it even applies. That's not intelligence, that's a loop. And here's the truth most people don't want to admit. A mind driven by hate will always believe it's on the side of truth. That's what makes it dangerous. Because once someone reaches that point, they stop questioning themselves, they stop listening, they stop learning. The conclusion is already decided, and everything else is just noise to them. Repeating the same claims over and over doesn't make them stronger. It just makes the pattern more obvious. It shows that the person isn't engaging with reality. They're defending a narrative they've emotionally attached themselves to. And emotional attachment is not truth. Truth requires discipline. Truth requires relevance. Truth requires the ability to say, this doesn't apply here. But when someone can't do that, when every road leads back to the same grievance, it's no longer about facts, it's fixation. And fixation is the fastest way to lose clarity. So if someone can't stay on topic, if every conversation turns into the same speech, if emotion overrides reason every single time, they're not defending truth. They're trapped in their own narrative, and no amount of repetition is going to change that.